Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well. If you are trying to connect your phone to your Samsung Smart TV but streaming, mooring or casting is not working, so don't worry. In this video, I will show you the easy and fast way to connect any Android phone or iPhone to any Samsung Smart TV, whether it is older model or the latest 2025 and 26 model. You only need to adjust a couple of settings and your phone will install appearance on your phone TV screen. I will also show you how to do it. Your TV does not treat your phone. The screen is a black or mooring fails. So let's start this video. You will see this type of option in the top right corner. You need to find remote connection on your TV. If it is not showing here, go to setting and track. You need to click on this here. You will see the different type option here. Your home setup, universal remote and different main type of option from here. But you click on mobile remote option here. Now click here. Now you can see barcode here. Okay, you need to open Google Lens on your phone and scan the barcode shown the screen. A link will appear on click it. Click on link and according to the barcode an app will be installing on your phone based on Wi-Fi. Just wait a few seconds loading. You can share my app here. Click on install option. Then wait just a few seconds and you can install. This is installed. After installing it completed, click on open button. Then click permission option and give all the permission here. Click on process button. Now give the all permission, allow, again allow and again allow. You can read the multiple options here. Check internet access, partner control features, and handling remote your set box will access for guest more option. Click on get started. Here mention your phone number. Now I just a privacy, so I hide my phone number. Phone number you fill in here. You receive an OTP. Enter the OTP here. Then click on submit button. Just wait a few seconds. Now you can see here this type interface here. Give permission here for what you think in important, and for other click on skip button. Now click in next, and next I will give the our permission here. Next, and again next, and you can see here last option cottage. Click on cottage button. Now click on get started button. Click on it on the top left right. Use the S3V remote on the same option on click on it. On the read all permission, then click on continue button. You will see your device connection. For example, living room TV is showing on mine. Click on it. Now your remote type will starting showing just like this. You can share my remote type option is open on my phone. You can see here that I am now able to control the TV using my phone as a remote. Every function like change channel, activate volume or navigation menu are working perfectly from my phone. It means your phone can just like the original TV remote, giving you full control without having to pick up the physical remote. You can also try it yourself and see how easily and converted it to manage your Samsung TV right from your phone. It's properly working here. You can show here. I just a back trick, now back here. If you want more information like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching everyone.